Welcome back to Tech TV. We're here at 5G World and I'm here with Rosalind. And so Rosalind, what's brought you down to 5G World today?
Well, it's a great opportunity to see a lot of my colleagues from the UK 5G board speak and to see some suppliers and understand what other people are developing in the world of 5G.
And how is UK Broadband going to deliver the fastest 5G network?
Well, actually, UK Broadband is a wholly owned subsidiary of Three, and when Three purchased UK Broadband, it got lots and lots of lovely 4 and 5G spectrum. So we have 140 contiguous megahertz of spectrum, which will allow us to deliver up to 2.5 gigabits per second down. That's more than twice what our nearest competitor in terms of spectrum has.
Is 5G broadband a genuine alternative to fibre?
Absolutely. So the world would never, I think, be just wired or wireless broadband, but it's a really flexible alternative. It can give great speeds to customers all over the place. It provides a massive amount of capacity, and we'll be able to provide customers with a service they can pick up and take with them when they move house, rather than waiting for 3 weeks for an engineer to come. Imagine having a hub at the centre of your home for all your communications needs, for your shopping, for your watching TV, where you don't have to have a nest of wires attached to it. For a lot of people, that makes a real difference. You also don't have to have holes drilled through your walls by an engineer that turns up several weeks after you've placed an order. And if you move house, like I say, just pick it up and move it with you. You don't need to change suppliers, you don't need to wait 3 weeks. It's immensely convenient and it can provide the same performance as wired broadband.
That's great. And can you tell me a bit more about the 5G opportunities for enterprise?
We actually already provide services to quite a few enterprise customers on 4G. Essentially private 4G LTE networks at the moment, which they use for all sorts of operational reasons, like moving goods around a port, for example, or docking planes at an airport and various other things. We also provide WAN. So with 5G, the opportunities are going to be massively increased. With the new standards in 5G that are coming along, there's a machine-to-machine communications and vehicle-to-anything communications and some other standards which will allow enterprises to develop really complex and innovative solutions that improve their productivity no end.
That's great. And my last question for you is, what's your highlight so far at 5G World?
Well, I'm going to say it's going to be seeing my colleagues from the UK 5G team speak.